Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of video editing to learn how to remove watermarks or logos from any video using Filmora. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open Filmora. Method 1, Cropping. Now, let's explore the first method, cropping. Identify where the watermark is in your video. If it's at the edge or close to the edge, this method can be very effective. Select the clip, go to the cropping tool directly or right-click on the clip, then select Crop and Zoom. Adjust the frame to cover the area with the watermark, apply the changes, and fine-tune the video width and position. Click OK when you're satisfied. Method 2, Concealing with Mosaic Effect. Moving on to the second method, concealing. This is useful for watermarks that are not easily cropped. Head to the Effects tab, search for the Mosaic Effect, a free overlay effect. Drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video, covering the clip. Double-click on the mosaic box on the display screen, adjust its size to cover the watermark area, explore different mosaic styles in the settings, and choose the one that works best for your video. Method 3, Covering with your own image. Now, the timeline. Resize and position the image over the watermark, effectively covering it up. Method 4. If you find value in using Filmora and wish to remove watermarks, I recommend visiting the official Wondershare Filmora website or contacting their customer support to explore available pricing plans and subscription options. Purchasing a plan not only enables you to unlock premium features but also ensures that you are using the software legally and in compliance with the terms of service. And there you have it, 3 easy methods to remove watermarks or logos from your videos using Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing.